Welcome back to another video, and here we are with Samsung once again. Now, in this content, we'll be demonstrating how to add playback controls to the navigation bar as seen here. So this is going to be helpful if you have, say, music playing or a video in pop-up view, and it's more towards the top of the display, but you're holding your device and you don't want to reach to access those playback controls. So in order to add these playback controls to the navigation bar, first you'll want to make sure that you have the Good Lock application downloaded from the Google Play Store if you don't have it pre-installed on your Samsung device yet. Once the application is opened, you'll have a home page that looks like this. So we're going to have a list of options that I like to call modules. And as you try to use each module for the first time, you probably will have to download them. Download is pretty quick here, but for this tutorial, we're going to be focusing solely on the NavStar option. So we'll tap on it. Once in the NavStar module, you want to make sure that the option is actually enabled. That's going to be the top choice here. And you'll see beneath, we're going to have a list of options for the navigation bar. These are presets. Now, as you can see, I already have playback controls in my navigation bar, and I did this by creating a new configuration, which you can see here. Now, because this is a tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to actually do this. So right above the presets and my new configuration, you'll see we have a button that is titled New Configuration, and we're going to tap on it. Now you can play with the icons as seen in the bottom left there, but we're not going to mess around with that. Again, the focus is to add playback controls or whichever buttons you would like to add to the navigation bar. So we're going to look for the option to the bottom right, button layout, and tap on that option. And then we're going to look for the only option here, add button. And then we're going to see a list of buttons we can add. It's a pretty short list here. You've got 20 options. But again, we're looking for playback control, so I'm going to do media next and then media play pause. Now, as you can see, the other button options, they gray out. This means that you can only add 2 buttons to the navigation bar. We're working with limited space here. Now, this is a bit of a disappointment when it comes to the playback controls because you can only add 2 and there are 3. So you're going to have to choose which 2 out of the 3 you want. But for me, it makes the most sense to have the media next and the media play pause. Now, once you've selected your buttons, it's important to tap done at the top there. And then you want to make sure that you save this new configuration. So we'll have a save option at the top right as well. And then lastly, you want to make sure that you select your new configuration. It might show at the bottom of the list here, and then you'll tap on it. Now, if you are unhappy with the configuration that you just created, simply press and hold on it. You'll get a pop-up box here with either an edit or delete option. You can edit the option or you can delete it. And it does look like your new configuration does show at the top of the list. So that is it for today's content. What do you think of this feature out of all the features that are in Good Lock? Will you be using it? Do you already use it? Let us know in the comments down below. But that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out. You